안녕하세요. Hello, K-friends. Welcome back to my channel. Sometimes you don't have ingredients to cook, right? But you still have potatoes. Then try making stir-fried potato. This is a really simple and delicious side dish. Let's get started. If you have an onion, thinly slice half an onion. Onions become sweeter as they cook, making them even more delicious. Onions seem to be a great ingredient. They go well with potatoes and other dishes. If you have bell peppers, slice them thinly. Bell peppers have a crispy texture and are good for your health. If you don't have bell peppers, you can skip them. Carrots can be used instead of bell peppers. Potatoes are the main ingredient today. They are one of the most commonly eaten ingredients because they are rich in various nutrients. Slice the potatoes thinly. To slice the potatoes more stably, you can slice them a few times first and place the flat side facing down when you slice them. This way, the potatoes won't wobble and will be easier to slice. If slicing is too inconvenient, you can use a vegetable slicer to slice them thinly. Soak the sliced potatoes in water and wash them well with your hands. Soaking the potatoes in water removes excess starch, making them cook more neatly and deliciously without sticking together. Take the potatoes out of the water with a strainer. Put them in a bowl. This is the sea salt I've been using a lot lately. If you have salt, add about 1 teaspoon and mix well with your hands. Brining potatoes in salt helps prevent them from breaking apart when cooked and enhances their flavor. Brine them for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, add about 1 tablespoon of oil in a preheated pan. I use avocado oil. These are the potatoes brined in salt. A lot of water came out. Squeeze out the excess water and put them in the pan. Stir fry for about 3 to 4 minutes over high heat. 1 minute later, add the sliced onions. If you want the potatoes to cook faster, you can add about 2 tablespoons of water. 1 minute later, when the potatoes become somewhat transparent, add the sliced bell peppers and cook for another 1 minute. Adjust the taste at this stage. Add 1 pinch or 2 pinches of salt according to your preference. Also add some ground pepper. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and mix well. The color looks really nice. Do you see that the potatoes didn't break? I'll put it on a plate. Very delicious and healthy potato stir fry is done. I hope you can give it a try. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.